Hi students, I wanted to give you a quick tutorial on how to access Google Docs, which is the technology tool you'll be using for today's assignment on this literary element of setting. So the first thing you want to do is log into your Google account, go over to your Google Apps, the 9 dots in the right corner, or what we like to say is the waffle, and you're going to scroll down until you see Docs, which will be this blue icon here. Click on that, and because we're starting something new today, you're going to click on Blank Document. Once your blank document comes up, I want you to give the title right up here in the left-hand corner. And for today, I want you to put you and your partner's last name, and then I want you to put the word book. And so for today, what we're going to do is we're going to brainstorm and think about the setting of the story that we're going to create. So you and your partner can collaborate and discuss what type of setting would you like to include in the story that you're going to write. So remember that setting is the where and when a story takes place. So the first thing I want you to do is type setting at the top and then hit enter. And I want you to write the word time. So for example, if I wanted to write a story that takes place a long time ago, the time would be long ago. And if I wanted my place to be far away, maybe a castle in the mountains, okay, I could put that for my place. So let's think about how we might use that setting in a sentence. So we could say, long ago, in a land far away, there was a castle set high on a hill, period. Now let's think about some types of images that we would want to have to represent our setting. So to insert an image into your Google Doc, you're going to go up here to your toolbar to insert. You're going to go right down to the first one, image, and we're going to search from the web because we won't have any pictures saved on our Chromebooks. So go to search the web, and whatever setting you and your partner choose, type here in the search bar. So I'm going to put castle on a hill and then hit enter. And these are the images that come up for castle on a hill. And you can scroll down and see the different types. There's lots of different options. So kind of scroll until you find one that really represents the setting that you're trying to create for your story. So maybe we want to image something like this. So I'm going to click on that and then click insert. And my image will pop up here. Now this is really big, so let's resize it. To resize it down, make it a little smaller, you're going to click on it. And then you're going to find your blue dot here in the corner and just bring it in until it is the size that you want for your picture. So we're going to make it quite a bit smaller. So let's scroll up. So there's a good picture for a castle on a hill. You and your partner, I want you and your partner to come up with 2 or 3 different ideas for setting. Another good example might be school. So the time could maybe be breakfast, morning time, and then the place could be school. Let's think of how we might use that in a sentence. Something like, I was eating breakfast at school today when I noticed something strange. Maybe that would be a good way to start your story. And so let's hit, let's make sure we capitalize our I. And I love Google Docs because you can scroll over to the mistake and it'll give you a suggestion. And a lot of times those suggestions are great and exactly what you need to correct your sentence. Okay, so let's hit enter a couple of times and let's go back up to find an image for this type of setting. So go to insert, oops, go to your image, search the web, and come back over here and let's say breakfast at school. Enter. And here you've got lots of different options for breakfast at school. We can scroll down until we find one that we like, that really represents the setting that we want for our story. Let's see here. You can see lots of different things will come up. Maybe something like this. Insert. Of course, it's really big, so let's size it down. Click on the image, go to your corner, and just drag it in until you reach the size that you want. Okay, I hope this was helpful, and I hope this helps you create your document today. If you have any questions, feel free to ask, and thank you for watching.